Yes, dear students, in this video I will be telling some problems which are generally asked uh, in competitive exam also like NEET and uh, AEEE or JEEE etc. So here is question, a particle is moving such that its position coordinates x, y, r 2 meter, 3 meter at time t equal to 0 second and 6 meter, 7 meter at time t equal to 2 seconds. 13 meter and 14 meter at time t equal to 5 seconds. What is the V average, that is velocity vector in interval 0 to 5 seconds? By definition of average velocity, you know average velocity over a unit of time. V average is given by RT2 minus RT1 upon T2 minus T1. You know why I am giving this question to you? Actually, there is a misunderstanding about the definition of velocity. Many people say average velocity is the speed in per direction. In my opinion, that is misleading definition. Actually, change of position, in the change in position of body per unit time is velocity. So here position is changing. At t equal to 0 particle at position this. So here r0 vector क्या होगा? Position vector at 0 time. It is equal to 2I cap plus 3j cap meter. And r5 is equal to 13I cap plus 14j cap meter. The position has changed from R0 to R5. So V average, velocity vector average equal to R5 minus R0 upon 5 minus 0. When you subtract this, you will get here 11 I cap or plus 11 j cap upon 5. So you can add 11 upon 5 I cap plus j cap meter per second. My aim here to explain you, my aim here to give this question. One is that question of this standard are asked in the competitive exam, and secondly to explain you correct meaning or correct definition of average velocity or velocity. The average velocity is defined as change in position per unit time. So if RT2, RT1 are position vector at time T1, T2, then this is the average velocity. I think you will benefit by this question by a large factor. I request all of you, whosoever is my subscriber, ask your friend to subscribe me. Actually, this is the starting point of physics. It is interesting. Coming chapters are very important and interesting, and you will realize my job, what I am doing for you. So you may ask your friend to subscribe my channel, so that what I send you, you get at once. Now there is another question here. Two vectors A and B are time dependent such that vector A is equal to cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap, and vector b equal to sin omega, cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap. These two vectors A and B are time dependent. Question shows that t varies, the value will vary. At what time? The two vectors will be orthogonal to each other. While telling types of vector, I told you orthogonal vectors are those which are perpendicular to each other. So how to establish that relation K? At what time t vector A and B will be orthogonal, means perpendicular to each other? By definition dot product, you know, if two vectors are perpendicular, then their dot product is 0. We will use the fact here in solution. What I said, dot product of two orthogonal vectors, that is which are perpendicular to each other. I am writing in perpendicular to each other. Is 0. So A dot B, if A and B are orthogonal, then A dot B is equal to 0. And A is this, therefore cos omega t I cap plus sin omega t j cap dot cos omega t by 2 I cap plus sin omega t by 2 j cap is equal to 0. Again, orthogonal vector I and j are orthogonal. I cap perpendicular to j cap, and you know by definition A dot B, modulus A modulus B cos theta. But so I dot I, so 1. So this product comes out to be what? Cos omega t by 2 I dot I 1, I dot j 0. So this will not be there. Then j dot I 0. So you know I dot I equal to 1, but I dot j 0. Similarly, j dot I 0 and j dot j 1. Remember this thing. So plus sin omega t or sin omega t by 2. Sin omega t by 2 is equal to 0. In trigonometry there is formula cos A minus B. Cos A minus B. Trigonometric formula. It is equal to cos A cos B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So now using this equation here, you can write as cos omega t minus omega t by 2 equal to 0, or cos omega t by 2 equal to 0. If cos theta 0, then theta is how much? Please learn that table of trigonometry. Value of sin 90, cos 90, sin 45, sin 0, sin 60, sin etc. So this come out to be omega t by 2 equal to pi by 2, 90 degree. Pi by 2 means 90 degree. So t equal to pi upon omega. This is the answer. At this time that these two vectors A and B will be orthogonal. Okay. Now in next video I will take one more question.